Hey Diggies, welcome back to BiharGeeks. So today we are going to solve a very classic problem, that is add two numbers. Okay, so we have given a two linked list here. Okay, 243, and there is another node that is 564. We just need to add both the nodes. Okay, and if we add 3 and 4, so we will have 7 here. Okay, 7, and when we add both of them we will have a 10. Okay, we have to carry off, and then when we add both of them, 2 plus 5, it will be 7. So what we have to do, we whenever we did the sum of this, we have to carry off also. So like we have a value of 243, and this is, so we will have output of 708, because when we add these two numbers we will get a value of 807. So after adding this we need to reverse this. Okay, so that is we have to do here. Okay, so the walkthrough is done. Okay, now we have to start with the code. So as you see that here, the structure is already there, we just need to write the actual code. Okay, so we will start with the dummy node to like simplify the result list handling. Okay, so first list node, and we'll keep name it as dummy head only, and it will be equal to new list node, and we'll keep the value inside will be 0. Okay, after that we will need a pointer for the result list. So in that case, we will put this one here, name it as current. Okay, and put the value of dummy inside it. Okay, okay, so this is done now. Now we need a carry for some calculations. So we will keep one carry. Okay, and initially we'll keep the value inside it 0. Now we have to run the loop until both the list get exhausted or completed. Okay, so we'll keep while we have L1 here is not equal to null, or L2 is not equal to null. In that case, we will do the basically extract the value from the current node. Okay, if the value is present. So int, we will keep value x, and we'll put a condition here that L1 is not equal to if null. So in that case, we'll keep the value of L1 dot when, else we'll put the value as a 0 here. Okay, same we have to do it for the y also. Copy. Okay, here we need a equals also. Okay, same we have to do it here also. The thing is different. It will be L2. Same here, it will be L2, and name will be Y for this case. Okay, so this is done now. Now after doing the calculation, we have to sum. So keep the value x equal to x plus y plus carry. Okay, fine. Now we have to keep the carry out. So it will equal to sum divided by 10. So basically we extract the carry from here. Otherwise it will be a 0 only. Okay. Now we need a digit here. So digit will be equal to sum plus digit from 10. So from here we will get a extract the last digit of the sum. Okay. Now we have to create a node with the sum of the last digit. So we will do it with current dot next equal to new list node, and inside this we will pass the digit. Okay. Stick. Fine. So this is done now. After that we have to move the pointer forward. So current equal to current dot next. Fine. And now we have to check the same thing which we have did for L1 and L2. So we have to basically move the pointer, okay, if the inputs are available. So we put the condition like L1 is not equal to null. So in that case, L1 equal to L1 dot next. And same we have to do it for L2 also. L2, L1, L2, and L2. Okay. After when we came out from this loop, so we will check if carry is there or not. If carry is then 0, in that case we'll keep the current node dot next equal to new list node, and inside this we will keep the carry value. Okay. Now after to this we will have the result. So we just simply if, and then we just simply return the dummy head dot next from here. Basically it will return the sum list and skipping the dummy head from here. So we will basically get the exact value which we wanted. So it's done now. Let me run this. What is happening? Okay, the name as dummy head will be now. No, okay. Carry. No, I guess it's the correct. Use this again. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me submit this. Okay, it's got accepted. So if we talk about the time complexity here, so the time complexity is basically as we are doing the iteration through the like a longer list only. So where we have an input of like L1 and L2. So the complexity will be O of M and N, whatever the max is there. If it's a max, so like it will be O of L1, otherwise it will be O of L2. Okay. And if we talk about the space complexity, it will be same like, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.